Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro main event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. I have with me Mr. O'Connell Benjamin of AuthentiDate, symbol ADAT. It is a publicly traded company. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it. Tell us a little bit about AuthentiDate.
AuthentiDate is a publicly traded company that is located in Berkeley Heights, New Jersey. We are focused in the healthcare space, and in particular, we're trying to solve the problem of cost and improving the outcomes for patients. We do that through some IT systems that we sell to potential customers. Our target customers are usually the health plan providers.
So give me an example of what you mean and what that is all called.
What I mean, a good example is to point out a customer. One of our major customers is the VA health system. As you would know, the VA is a very progressive healthcare organization, and they have embarked on telehealth. We are one of 4 vendors that provide them solutions for their telehealth services, and we would envision that in the years to come, we would be their primary vendor.
So you're a big player in telemedicine.
We're a big player, but one that is not content with where we're situated. We expect to be a bigger player in the months and years to come.
What's your background?
My background is mainly technical. I spent much of my career in the AT&T Bell Laboratories and moved over to management responsibilities over the course of time. But today I am driven by the need to do something that is needed in the country, and in fact deliver a service that can be delivered, we believe, more efficiently and cost effectively.
So how does it work, and what's the key benefit?
There are 3 major focuses of our solutions. The focus is on the continuum of care, and the way that works, there are 3 very important things that you need to give to patients when they leave the acute care setting, which is the hospital. When they leave the acute care setting, you need to have the means to communicate back to the primary care physician and the hospitals. You need to organize their visits with clinic and other outpatient services, and you need to do that in a way that is efficient for both the service provider, the clinicians, as well as for the patients. And we do that with a focus around convenience and ease of use.
And you're probably saving somebody some money somewhere.
Well, we're saving a lot of money. We think the benefits go to all the parties involved, but mostly the healthcare payers. What we do is reduce the cost of care in the telehealth space by about 50 to 60%. This has been proven through many studies that have been done over recent time. We think you'll continue to see that go down, and better outcomes as a result of patients becoming used to what works and what doesn't work.
So let's talk about market share and potential growth. We're ending 2014. Where do you go from here?
The markets are very large. In the telehealth space, for example, it's calculated to be about $7.8 billion a year this year. We think it's actually larger than that because that represents only the chronically ill patients. What we have seen using these systems can result, in fact, for ROI benefits to a greater percentage of the covered lives. We expect it to be about 30% of the covered lives that yield a benefit. So in the case of the United States, where we have approximately 300 million people, we're talking about better than 100 million people can be candidates for these devices. So the market is huge. We think we have a very small share of that right now. There are 4 primary vendors, and what's important in these products is you ought to look for products that are FDA approved or FDA cleared devices. We are one of a few companies with such a product.
For more information, let's get your website out to our audience.
Thank you, Shelley. Our website you can reach by going to www.AuthentiDate.com, and you would see all that you need to see at that point.
Including this video soon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is O'Connell Benjamin of AuthentiDate. This is the publicly traded symbol is ADAT. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We are at the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. Ben, let me thank you for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley.
You're welcome.